the brand, has evolved into a multidisciplinary, one-stop shop. Binanggit niya kanina, she's a full of doctors, employing dermatologists and other surgeons to address the comprehensive beauty of wellness and concerns. And of course, partnering also with the brand itself, like Galderma, lending her name. So to just wrap it up also, since they're here to lend support to Dr. Ruth, may we call on the business unit head of Galderma to tell us more about the partnership of RPS Aesthetics and Galderma. Please welcome Ms. Michelle De Jesus.
Hi, thank you. Good afternoon, Dr. Ra. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. Again, I'm Michelle. I'm the business unit head from Galderma. And we are excited to launch our injectable treatments portfolio at RPS Aesthetics. And just a background, so this is the division of in Galderma, the injectable aesthetics, wherein we offer Restylane and Sculptra treatments, and it's now available at RPS Aesthetics. So Galderma has always been a pioneer in innovation in the world of aesthetics. And same with RPS Aesthetics, whose belief, whose belief is the center of patient care, which is their priority. So with the shared vision of holistic beauty, patient-centeredness, and innovation, this partnership comes alive. So, and the approach is now geared towards safety. Katulad ng sinabi ni Dr. Ruth kanina, no? Safety is the main concern of all our patients. And of course, natural beauty. So because now consumers, they don't like yung fast, and then parang risk also, and not looking natural. But with both Galderma, in Restylane and Sculptra, and the RPS Aesthetics, your patients, our consumers are assured of having safe and natural looking results. That's why with Restylane Kiss, no, it's a filler, it's a dermal filler specifically designed for lips that balances the fullness and flexibility. So meaning you enhance the natural movement of the lips while enhancing also the fullness of the lips. And then another treatment, most sought treatment, itong common trend ngayon, skin quality. With Restylane Skin Boosters, it offers 456 days of glow. Would you believe that? So 24/7, you get that healthy, glowing skin. Why? Because of the benefits that it provides: deep hydration, it reduces your big pores. Kasi yun yung mga concerns ngayon, di ba? Big pores, it reduces acne scarring. Yun yung na-mention kanina ni Dr. Ruth. It also reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It evens skin tone, and it smoothens skin texture. That's why it can really provide 456 days of glow, or literally 15 months.
Sir, ma'am, cut ko lang. May butang pa sa'yo yung next year. May butang pa sa'yo yung susunod na taon. Sige, go.
Yes. And the most most sought after treatment nowadays is the Sculptra treatment. You see that sa social media account ni Dr. Ruth, di ba? So that's the Sculptra treatment. So what is this? Sculptra is the original regenerative biostimulator. If your patient doesn't want the lifting, the volume, or you want the more natural results, over time, then Sculptra treatment is the right one for you, because it stimulates your collagen synthesis naturally. And the action or the efficacy, it will last up to 25 months, so 2 years. So your patients or the consumers will really get the value for money. So what does it do? Sculptra treatment, it improves the skin's firmness. So yung sagging and then due to aging, it reverses time. So yung gusto mo more youthful look, then go at RPS Aesthetics and get that Sculptra treatment.
Thank you, Manit.